Kenny, 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 welcome.
Hey, what's up, Gensters? Welcome back. It's Genecia here. In today's video, I'm doing the Beyelian cluster lash review and tutorial, okay? This is super fun for me. As you guys know, I'm a strip girl for lashes, and hello, I am dipping my feet into the cluster lash extensions, and let me tell you, okay, Beyelian lash quality is amazing. It looked like I got my lashes professionally done. This is the lash clusters that the Beyelian company have sent to me. You can get these on Amazon, guys, on Amazon. Just search Beyelian cluster lashes and it would definitely come up. Very affordable. If you have Prime, you're gonna get it in no time, okay? So they do come in with the 10 mm, the 14, the 12, the 16 as well, so you guys can definitely customize your lashes to your lash style, and this is what I came up with. It's really cute, and I'm shocked with how the results came out to be, because again, I'm new to this. I watched a few tutorials and it's definitely like easy to follow along. I don't know why I was so terrified of doing lash extensions. I don't know, just something being so close to my eye, the lash glue, the bond, the seal, all that. It's like scary, but it's like now that I'm dipping my feet into it, test out the waters, I'm like, why was I so afraid? This is so quick and easy. It took me under 10 minutes to do. So this is the one that I use, and I use a variety of different sizes for my lash set today. And I really love how, if you are a newbie and beginner, you don't really know anything about cluster lashes or adding extensions to your eye, they do have a how to apply step-by-step for you guys, which I really love. So if you guys are ready to see how I rock this look, then keep on watching. So here is the before. As you guys can see, my lashes are very minimal, and here is the after. Very good results, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it in minutes. So let's get started. So here are all the products that I'll be using today, and let's go through all of them. So here are the Beyelian lash clusters. They come in 10 mm, 12 mm, 14 mm, and 16 mm. 12 fans per length and a total of 24 fans per pack. You can create a different variety of styles according to your preferences, which I absolutely love. They come with these professional tweezers. These are very good and heavy duty, very sturdy, and very good quality as well. Here is the 2-in-1 lash bond and seal for cluster lashes. It has a dual-in lash adhesive to make your lash routine very much easier. One side is a bond. It has a tiny spiral brush head to help apply the glue evenly, and the other side is lock. It helps protect the layer after wearing the plump individual lashes. Here is the lash remover. So here I am applying the bond. Again, this is a tiny spiral brush head to apply the glue more evenly, and it's easy to use because it's like a mascara, so you guys know how to use that. Now I'm going to be grabbing the 16 mm lash, and let me tell you, this lash is so comfortable. It is very thin band cluster lashes, ordinary with the lash extensions, and the band is very thin and soft. Look how quick and easy the first one is. And me applying these cluster lashes from Beyelian, they're really easy to apply. I'm just going to be doing a third cluster lash of the 16 mm and applying that to the outer perimeter of my lashes. This is just going to give me that wispy look. And it gives me that magnetic pull. Like, it was really easy to apply these lashes. The cluster lashes are divided into section and it's easy to pick up. So I'm going in with the 12 mm and I'm putting that in the middle of my eye. And you can use your professional tweezers to pick up the band of lashes, or you can use your hand as well. And once you apply the bond, You have to wait 30 seconds to apply the lashes. I forgot to mention that, but I know I added the tip, but I just wanted to say it. Also, do not allow the clusters to apply to your eyelid. You will want it to touch your natural lashes, to your upper or lower lashes, but do not apply it to your eyelid. So here is the first eye completed, and look how gorgeous this looks, guys. Again, I'm a newbie at this. I'm not really an individual lashes girl. I'm a strip girl, and the outcome is amazebeans. So now I'm going to go in with the lock. This is going to seal it right in. It lasts up to at least 4 to 8 hours. This glue is specifically designed for DIY lash extensions at home. It has a small spiral brush tip that can assist dipping an appropriate amount of glue and applying it evenly. It's highly sticky and almost non-irritating, and it can linger up to 48 hours. And you can never be concerned about losing your eyelashes anywhere because this is locked in, guys. Like, trust me, I'm going to do a demo portion shortly removing these lashes. But look, I'm looking cute. I'm feeling cute. It looks very nice. So now I'm going in with the other eye. I already applied the bond to my lashes again, and now I'm going to be applying the same lashes to the other side. So again, I'm going in with the 16 on the outer and applying that to my lashes. Again, you do not want to add this to your eyelid. So some amazing techniques that I've learned while applying these lash clusters. Okay, one, you can totally pull your upper lid so you can able to see your lash line, and you can adhere the lash clusters like that. Or you can tilt your head back so you can see your lash line as well. So either way, it works for me. I just want to share that with you guys. So as you guys can see, this is very easy tutorial. Like, look at the results, guys. And again, as a beginner, this literally took me about 10 minutes to apply. Even with during the tutorial, it was very quick and easy. So now I'm going to be applying the lock and seal it in to the roots and coating all my lashes. And here we are with the results. Your girl is glowing. I'm feeling confident. I feel amazing. I look amazing. They look very professional, and the quality is A1, guys. Leave a comment down below. How do you think I look? Like, what is your verdict? I would love to know. These are super thin and comfortable on the eyes, and these can be reused up to 5 to 7 times if these are gently cared for, FYI. So now this is the demo eye, okay? I'm going to show you guys how to apply it, and then I'm going to show you guys how to remove your lashes. Then I'm going to show you guys the full look. So again, you're going to go in with the bond, apply it to your lashes, and then apply the lash extensions with your tweezers and apply it to your lash line and not your eyelid. So I'm going to apply 2 for you guys and lock that in. Apply that evenly all through the lash extensions. Now, as you guys can see, I am tugging and pulling these Beyelian lash clusters. They're not moving anywhere. They're locked in, like they cannot fall off. So now I'm going in with the lash glue remover. This remover also have a spiral wand and it's easy to apply, as you guys can see. You wait up to 30 seconds and then you can remove your cluster lashes. This lash remover has a high cleaning and it has an oily texture that can penetrate deep into the root of the lashes. And after saturating the lashes with the remover, you can gently pull off your lashes or rinse it off. And as you guys can see, it was a matter of seconds. Gentle, no natural lashes was pulled during this process. Very easy. And I love that the eyelash glue remover had no irritation to my eye. As you guys can see, my eyes don't look irritated. There was no stingy, there was no smell or aroma. It was very properly cleaned. It was suitable for also sensitive skin. And it's made with high quality material and all ingredients are safe to your eye skin. So how do we like it? Leave a comment down below. I'm so stoked of the results and the outcome of this look. Again, I'm very newbie to this and I'm really loving the style and how flattering it looks on me, and the quality of these lashes. Chef kiss, baby. I love it. Love it so much. Beyelian Lashes, 10 out of 10, I recommend. Okay, I'll have the link down below so you guys can check it out on Amazon. Again, you can just search Beyelian Lash Clusters and it would definitely come up for you guys. Very easy to search for. The quality is amazing. It was easy to apply. There's no burning, there's no smells. It's very great for sensitive skin. The list goes on and on. You already heard it throughout the tutorial how amazing these lashes are, especially their products. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and it was very easy for you guys to follow along. If you guys want more videos like this, be sure to let me know in the comment box down below. Makeup, hair, lashes, DIYs, fashion looks, how-tos, try on hauls. Let me know in the comment box down below and I would love to do those content for you guys because I really enjoy doing those type of contents for you guys. So thank you guys for watching and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.